Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. If you are receiving threats, change your mobile number. CM ridicules threat to tiatrists. Tiatr Academy writes off CM's take on this issue. State Marathi Academy notification soon. CM appoints executive committee. Announcement on Bahusaheb Bandodkar's 41st death anniversary. Government caught on wrong foot. Lakshmikant Shetgaonkar clears that he didn't receive a single rupee from ESGS Film Finance, contradicts Assembly reply. Comunidad Commission report to be considered to resolve Comunidad issues. Residential clause to buy land in Goa can be raised, says Deputy CM. And work on Goa tourism master plan on 38 weeks to complete study and report will include MLAs and Panchayats proposals, says Parulekar. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has advised tiatrists to change their phone number or switch mobile off if they receive threat calls. MLA Vijay Sardesai had raised Tausif Namal's issue in the Assembly. CM ridiculed the issue and stated that Tausif should change his SIM card if he is receiving threat calls. CM said the tiatrist is cashing on the controversy for publicity. He feels tiatrists should exercise some self-restraint. Parrikar wants Tiatr Academy to censor theatres.
हे जे आता चल्ला पळय कोण तो तौसीफ आनी कोण ते सगळे आहा ते तौसिफाक मोबायल बंद करून सांग दुसरो कार्ड घे म्हणून सांग विशय काबार जाता 2 मिनटां भितर ही सगळी नाटकां जाल्ल्या ही सगळी बेजबाबदारपणां काही जाणांची विशय नासल्यामुळे निर्माण करपाचे प्रयत्न करता हो म्हजो चार्ज ह्या कारण हांवें सगळें इन्वेस्टिगेशन केल्ल्या सिंपल गजाल आहा मरे कोण तो तौसीफ काय फौसीफ कोण आहा पळय ते तवश्यान धर तूं फोन बंद करून दवरलो आनी दुसरो कार्ड घेतले थोडे दीस 2-3 दीस विशय काबार जालो मुद्दम चल्लां हें सगळें नाटक गोंयान जाग्यार थंड आसा पळय थंय अशें उबाळे हाडपाचो प्रयत्न चल्ला हे प्रयत्न आमी सोदचे ना.
Tausif the Navelim had accused Sriram Sene of threatening him to shut down his theatre allegedly based on Pramod Mutalik. CM Parrikar says this issue has no much significance. If one is receiving threat calls, then he should change his mobile number.
हांवें हाका सांगलां डायरेक्टर आर्ट एंड कल्चराक सांगलां की तियात्र अकॅडमी आहा पळय तांकां सांगून स्वताचेर जी कितें बंधनां घालून घेवपाची घाला कारण तियात्रान एखाद्या वेळार अश्यो गजाली जाता ज्यो हांवें स्वता पळयल्ल्यो आसा की कितें अंडर द बेल्ट म्हणटा पळय तशें मारलें वता त्या सगळ्या आवय बापायक सगळ्यांक वयर काडलें हांवें स्वता अनुभव घेतलेलो आमच्या हाका खबर आहा बाबुशाकूय खबर आहा.
Sriram Sene was miffed with Akantwadi Goyan Naka, Tausif the Navelim's theatre which is allegedly based on Sriram Sene. Tausif blames Sanatan Prabhat. He says the news daily published the news about theatre in an inflammatory manner and thereafter Sriram Sene started threatening them.
कुठल्या पेपरमध्ये न्यूज आली आणि त्याच्यावरनं कोणीतरी फोन केला तर त्याने स्वतः पोस्टरवर त्याचा फोन नंबर वगैरे छापलेला आहे ठिकठिकाणी पोस्टर लावले त्यानेच सांगितलं त्याच्या मुलाखतीमध्ये की हुबळी आणि कुठेतरी बेंगलोरला त्याने चर्चच्या बाहेर पोस्टर लावलेले आहे मग त्यामुळे तिकडनं वगैरे फोन आले आता तिकडे काय सनातन प्रभात वाचत नाही ना बेंगलोर आणि हुबळीला मराठीचा मग त्याला तिकडनं कसे फोन आले.
Bureau Report Prudent.
The foundation for State Marathi Academy has been laid. Chief Minister Parrikar announced notification for State Academy on the occasion of 41st death anniversary of late Bahusaheb Bandodkar. Government has appointed an executive committee for the academy. Bahu statue was unveiled at the State Assembly complex on Tuesday. Some MLAs demanded Jack Sikwara's statue at Assembly complex, while Sudin Daulikar demanded that GEC be named as Bahusaheb Bandodkar complex.
या आयजूच आमी गोवा मराठी अकॅडमीचे टेम्पररी कार्यकारी मंडळ टेम्पररी कारण थंय सगळी स्ट्रक्चर करपाची गरज आहा ते आयजूच जाहीर केल्ले आसा ताजी कॉपी मागीर हावजाक हाडून दिता हांव म्हणजे सगळ्यांक पावयता कॉपी ऑलरेडी ते एप्रुवल जशें हावजाक प्रॉमीस दिल्ले तशें ताका ऑलरेडी एप्रुवल दिल्ले आहा मुद्दम आजच्याच दिसा केला ते.
Leader somehow we seem inadvertently ignoring is the leader of the opposition and the towering personality who was the father of the opinion poll, Dr. Jack Shikera.
थोडे लीडर असतात तांकां विसरल्यात. The contribution, we should not forget about a Jack Shikera.
आणि त्यापासून मुगे मागणी या सरकारा कडेन आमी जॅक शिकराचोय पुतलो आमी ह्या कॉम्प्लेक्सान घालपाक.
जो विषय आमच्या फार्मागुडीवरचा आहे तो पुढे नेण्यासाठी म्हणजे भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकर टेक्निकल एज्युकेशन कॉम्प्लेक्स हा जो विषय आम्ही मागितला आहे तो विषय पूर्ण करण्यासाठी मनोहर पर्रीकरांनी मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी प्रयत्न करावेत आणि त्यासाठी सदैव आम्ही त्यांच्या पाठीमागे राहू.
CM along with other cabinet ministers paid homage to late Bahusaheb Bandodkar on his 41st death anniversary. State paid tributes to Bahusaheb Bandodkar's statue at Miramar and at Old Secretariat. CM Parrikar expressed tribute saying Bhau laid the foundation for economy and education in Goa.
गोंयकार जे आयज वयर सरल्या देशापेक्षा अनेक पटींनी गोंयची GDP ग्रोथ आसा. गोंयचे शिक्षणाच्या मळार गोंयकारांनी बरें हें केल्लें आसा जाल्यार ताजें पूर्ण श्रेय गोंयच्या पहिल्या मुख्यमंत्र्याक भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकराक वता आनी अनेक बऱ्यो तांच्यांनी गजाली केल्या.
MGP leaders and workers also paid their tribute to Bahusaheb Bandodkar at Perne and Mandre. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Lakshmikant Shedgaonkar has cleared that he has not received any money under film finance scheme from ESG. This statement contradicts what Information and Publicity Minister Milind Naik told the Assembly. Minister has stated that film producer Lakshmikant Shedgaonkar was paid 25 lakhs under film finance scheme. But the fact is, Goa government hasn't financed any film of Lakshmikant till now.
To encourage film producers in Goa, government had formed a film finance scheme under which Entertainment Society of Goa finances maximum of 25 lakh rupees to a Goan film producer. According to the sources, no producer nor a Goan filmmaker has received a single rupee under this scheme since 2009.
पण 2012च्यान या सरकारान हे सगळे स्किमी बंद केले आणि 12, 13 आणि 14 ही जी फिल्म फायनान्स स्कीम आसा ती बंद उडयल्या आणि कोणाकच कसलोच आर्थिक आधार या सरकारान दिवंक ना.
Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai has asked the Information and Publicity Minister Milind Naik to give details about the Goan film producers who benefited from this scheme since March 2012. Minister has named 5 filmmakers who have received the amount, but the fact is different.
हे सरकारान सामके चुकीचे सांगला आणि ही चुकीची माहिती दिलेली हा ESG. पण मनीस हे 2009 वर्साचे फिल्म आणि 2009 वर्सान तेन्नाच्या गव्हर्नमेंटान हांवें जे फिल्म क्षेत्रांत जे काम केलां त्या कामा खातीर गव्हर्नमेंटान म्हाका ऑनर केल्लो आणि शबाना आझमीच्या हस्ते म्हाजो सत्कार केल्लो आणि त्या वेळार गव्हर्नमेंटान म्हाका 25 लाखांचो चेक दिल्लो. हे 2009.
Shedgaonkar also slammed government for neglecting Goan filmmakers. He says government can fund crores of rupees for upliftment of IFFI but cannot provide financial assistance to encourage film culture in Goa.
म्हाका अशें दिसता जेन्ना गोवा सरकार 8 कोटी सुमार पैसे फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑर्गनायज करपाक मोडटा तेन्ना 1-2 कोटी वर्साक गोंयच्या कलाकारां खातीर किंवा गोंयच्या फिल्माच्या कल्चरा खातीर दिवप हे गरजेचे ह्या सरकाराक कशें दिसना हें म्हाका कळना.
The issue can become serious as the reply given in the assembly is incorrect and false. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.